guys, it's Justin. On today's video, I will be reviewing the Barbie Inspiring Women Madam C.J. Walker Barbie doll. So I'm so excited. So you can get this doll on Mattel Creations, but I got mine on Amazon. So I actually ordered this morning and they had free same-day shipping. So I actually got her actually a couple hours ago. So I'm ready to unbox. And I just checked again. The doll has already been almost out of stock. So they're saying that it's shipping now, early September to October, just from early this morning. So guys, act fast. Hopefully you can get her. Again, Amazon has her. If you have Amazon Prime, get free shipping. Or you can go to Mattel Creations and purchase her there. And then you can see what other options you have. So that's that. Now we're going to get into the unboxing. So per usual, especially with collector dolls that I know I'm going to unbox, I always get two. Because I want to usually customize one to use in my doll world and then have one for the shelf. Not for every doll, but for a lot of them that I do that. And definitely for Madam CJ, definitely want to do that. So I'm going to unbox one I'm already happy about. Y'all know sometimes Amazon be tripping. Sometimes they'll send dolls, collector dolls, and little padded envelopes. So I'm so glad she's in a box. Maybe because I ordered two, they acted like they had sense, but I digress. So I'm gonna open her up. And I'm so excited. So another great thing about getting two dolls is that you can pick which one has the better face. To either unbox or customize. And so another thing that I noticed is that she actually comes in the Mattel shipper. So I'm super excited about that. So I like that because it just makes sure that your doll, you know, really is going to be protected. So that is always a plus for me. So I'm going to unbox her. Okay, so here's the first one. I already know what she looks like, but whenever you see them fresh out the box, wow, she's pretty. Her screening is wonderful. Oh my goodness. She's perfect, guys. Look at that. She is just absolutely gorgeous. So of course you need to take her out of the box. But I want to check the other one. Because if there's like a minor flaw, I would rather unbox that one and then fix it and then keep the perfect one for the shelf. So this wonderful doll has the Michelle face sculpt. It is designed by the wonderful Carla Noera. So I'm really excited. I was originally kind of disappointed she didn't get a celebrity sculpt, which is a likeness sculpt. But using the resources that they have, I still feel like she matches Madam CJ very well. So this is the other doll. Let me compare her. She's just as gorgeous. So there she is. Now one thing that I do notice, and I know there's a glare from the screen, her braid is a much prettier and pronounced on this version. So this is gonna be my shelf doll. Her hair is still pretty, but the braid is not as pronounced, which is fine. But this is going to be my unbox doll. So let's get her open. I'm so excited. So she comes in the standard Inspiring Women box that has the write-up about Madam C.J. Walker. So if you don't know about her, she was an entrepreneur and philanthropist, and she is noted as being America's first self-made female millionaire of any race, which is especially significant for her because she is first generation free black woman. Her parents were formerly enslaved. So for her to be America's first female self-made millionaire is out of this world outstanding accomplishment, especially for the era that she grew up in. So she was born in 1967, passed away in 1919, and she is quoted as saying, "Don't sit and wait for the opportunities to come. Get up and make them." So she was born Sarah Breedlove in Delta, Louisiana, and she's noted for her hair care business. And we're gonna give you some close-ups of this beautiful, beautiful dog. Gorgeous, just gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Her outfit, I honestly think this is the best Inspiring Women outfit that I've seen. She is just awesomely beautiful. So we're going to carefully take her out of the box. So she comes with a certificate of authenticity, standard Barbie collector stand, but this one is really pretty. It kind of matches her boot color. So I like that touch, Carlisle. So she does have the curvy articulated collector Barbie body, which is pivotal. She's just gorgeous. I love her. Her screening is perfect. It is not pixelated. It is just, oh my goodness. She is beyond gorgeous. I am in love, y'all. And of course she does come with a miniature container of her hair product. See if I can get it out of the plastic. And let's see, does it open? Y'all, it actually opens. So there's a little cream. And that snap closes. And then you'll see the label with the real Madam C.J. Walker on it. So that is amazing, y'all. That is too cool. Carlisle, I am thoroughly impressed with you. So I'm going to slip her boots off, which are a nice kind of rubbery texture. So she has this wonderful curly hair texture. It is soft. This part here, it is parted and pulled back. There is no product. So the hair is not crunchy. She does have a braid going around the perimeter of that split. Her hair is just perfect. She has kind of like these little faux pearl drop earrings. And then we have this balloon sleeve top with ruffles and trim, and this high-waisted A-line long skirt that is gorgeous. Mr. Noera, you did an excellent job. So, guys, I am in love with her. I think she's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use her in some capacity. I know she's going to be in my doll stories, and I'm going to get you some close-up pics to show you this wonderful doll. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, guys.